For decades, humans have looked up at the sky, building rockets, sending satellites, and exploring the moon and beyond. But what if, instead of focusing on space, we turned our attention downward, into the deepest and most unknown part of our own planet, the ocean? Today, space exploration is often led by organizations like NASA, while the deep ocean is studied by scientists from groups such as NOAA. Yet surprisingly, we know far more about the moon than we do about the bottom of our own oceans. The deep ocean is one of the most mysterious places on Earth, a vast and dark world where sunlight cannot reach, and where pressure is so intense that it can crush most objects instantly. In some areas, such as the Mariana Trench, the ocean reaches depths of more than 11,000 meters, making it deeper than Mount Everest is tall. At these extreme depths, the pressure is more than 1,000 times greater than at sea level, creating an environment where only specially adapted life forms can survive. The temperature in the deep ocean is usually close to freezing, often just a few degrees above zero, and there is no natural light, creating a world of complete darkness. Despite these harsh conditions, life still exists. Many deep-sea creatures have developed unique adaptations that allow them to survive in this environment. Some animals produce their own light through a process called bioluminescence, which they use to attract prey, communicate, or hide from predators. Others have soft bodies that can withstand extreme pressure, while some have very slow metabolisms, allowing them to survive with very little food. In certain parts of the ocean floor, scientists have discovered hydrothermal vents, where hot water filled with minerals flows out from beneath the Earth's crust. These areas can reach extremely high temperatures, yet they are home to unusual ecosystems, where life does not depend on sunlight, but on chemical energy. This process, known as chemosynthesis, allows bacteria to create energy, supporting entire food chains in complete darkness. Exploring the deep ocean helps scientists better understand how life can exist in extreme environments, which may also give clues about the possibility of life on other planets. If life can survive in such dark and high-pressure conditions on Earth, it may also exist in similar environments elsewhere in the universe. The ocean also plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. It absorbs large amounts of heat and carbon dioxide, helping to stabilize global temperatures and influence weather systems around the world. Changes in the ocean can have a direct impact on climate patterns, sea levels, and ecosystems. However, exploring the deep ocean remains extremely difficult. The deeper scientists go, the more challenging the conditions become, with increasing pressure, lower temperatures, and total darkness. Specially designed submarines and robotic vehicles are required to reach these depths, and even then, exploration is slow and expensive. Even today, it is estimated that more than 80% of the ocean has not been fully explored, meaning that much of this vast environment remains unknown. There may be thousands of undiscovered species, hidden geological structures, and new scientific insights waiting beneath the surface. The deep ocean is not only a place of mystery, but also a place of importance. Understanding it better could help humans protect marine ecosystems, manage natural resources, and respond to environmental challenges more effectively. So what if humans focused more on the ocean instead of space? Would we discover new forms of life, understand our planet more deeply, or uncover secrets that could change science forever? The deep ocean remains one of the last great frontiers on Earth, a hidden world beneath the waves, reminding us that some of the greatest mysteries are not above us in the sky, but far below us, in the silent and unexplored depths of our own planet.